Hi. Today, we will learn how to create a carousel in a Flutter Android app. Let's see the code. This is our main.dart file. In the main function, we run an app called myApp. This is the myApp class. Here, we create a material app. We specify the title, theme, and homepage of this app. The homepage would be myHomepage class. This is the myHomepage class. Here we create a state of this class, which is called _myHomepage state. This is the _myHomepage state class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, we create a scaffold widget. The scaffold widget is the base of our entire user interface. This widget has two important attributes: the AppBar attribute and the body attribute. In the AppBar attribute, this is how we create the toolbar of our app. And in the body attribute, we create the rest of the UI. In the body attribute, first, we use a center widget, so that our carousel will be at the center of the screen. Inside that, we use a sized box to define the overall height of the carousel. I have kept the height of 200. Then, in the child attribute, we use the CarouselView widget. It is a native widget of Flutter. We do not need to use any external library for this. Let's see what's inside this widget. The item extent attribute defines the width of each item in the carousel. I have kept the scroll direction horizontal so that the carousel will look neat. Making the item snapping attribute true gives smoothness to the carousel, and the items do not seem half-cut anywhere. When any item is clicked in the carousel, we show its name in a snackbar. Then we use some padding and give a shape to the items. And finally, in the children attribute, we create carousel items. You can use any widget you want, and any number of widgets you want here. I have simply created a list of cards. A total of 10 cards will be shown. So we will get a nice 10-card carousel at the center of the screen. Let's run the app and see the result. As you can see, we get a nice card view carousel here. Instead of card view, you may use images or something of your choice. So that's it. The link to download this code is given in the description box under this video. Thanks for watching.